Your toothpaste is not safe. Do you know what's hiding inside of your toothpaste? Most traditional toothpaste contains sodium lauryl sulphate, SLS, the same stuff that is used to make detergent powder foam. Detergent in your mouth. SLS is really harmful. It can cause ulcers and affect the taste receptors on your tongue. But now, there's a safe option. Perfora. Perfora's SLS-free toothpaste is Made Safe certified and tastes so good. Their range of flavors will blow you away. So, do you want to have a toxic affair with your regular SLS toothpaste and manual brush? Or are you ready to switch to Perfora? Safe and functional oral care. Trust me, your teeth will thank you.